Let me show you how to make these Colombian sweet rolls called pan mojicon. To a stand mixer, I'm adding 4.5 cups of bread flour, 1 envelope of rapid rise yeast, half a cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 large eggs, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and a half tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm adding the dough hook attachment because we're going to be kneading the dough. Mix on low to incorporate all the ingredients. Then mix on high for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough has pulled away from the sides and forms a ball. Place the dough into a greased bowl and cover with a towel. Place the bowl in a warm place for 1.5 hours to rise. Transfer to a workstation or countertop and cut the dough into 2 pieces. Then take each piece and roll it into a log. Cut each log into 6 equal pieces. Now we're just going to flatten out the dough and pull the edges toward the center to form a ball. Pinch the ends well to seal it. Turn it over and finish rounding it out on the counter. Place the dough balls into a greased 9x13 baking pan, seam side down. Cover with the towel and allow to rise in a warm place for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove the towel and place the rolls in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And here we have Colombian pan mojicon. Traditionally, you would sprinkle the tops with sugar, but since I served these on Thanksgiving, I brushed them with a little honey butter. Now rip into these Colombian sweet rolls and enjoy.